All right, here we go. This is like the 1 millionth time I've tried to do this, but I think I finally got it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set ourselves up in order to use Unity's terrain tools. Um, and so first thing I need you to do, please, is to go to your project settings. And in your project settings, select the package manager. The package manager has some project settings. And we need you to check this box right here that says enable pre-release packages. Chances are very good when you click that, this little window is going to pop up that just popped up for me right here, which says, warning, danger, Will Robinson. Packages are in the process of becoming stable and will be available as production ready by the end of this LTS release. We recommend using these only for testing purposes and to give us direct feedback. Until then, click I understand. And now that button is checked. Good. Now, switch over to the package manager. And right now, by default, your package manager is going to come in with packages in the project. Hit the little drop-down menu and switch that to Unity Registry. These are all the packages that exist in Unity's registry. And then let's zoom in on this just so you can see exactly where Mr. Booth is clicking. Right up here in this corner up here at the top, you can see this little plus symbol right here. And this little plus symbol I'm clicking right here, one of the choices is add package by name. The problem is if you try to search for this, it doesn't find the package. But then I found the solution. You have to add the package by name. And what you type here is you type com, C-O-M, dot, unity, dot, terrain, hyphen, tools. So com.unity.terrain hyphen tools. And then we're going to click the little add button. And that's going to add the terrain tools. Here's the list of it right here. It's importing it. Let me switch out of zoom in so we can see what's going on here. But it's getting it from Unity's registry and it's adding it to our project. Patiently wait for it. It's added now. We could switch back over here to in project, and you'll see that now terrain tools is added. Now with the terrain tools added to the project, we also need to download asset samples from the asset store. So I'm going to click on this download asset samples from the asset store. That's going to open up a browser window at the Unity Asset Store. And do take a moment to use your school Google login up here to log in to the Unity Asset Store. Once you're logged into the Unity Asset Store, you should already be on this page right here, Terrain Sample Asset Pack. Click Open in Unity. When this little window pops up, click Open Unity Editor. Well, it's already open and it's going to find all that stuff, and whoop, there it is. Terrain Sample Asset Pack. Click on the Import button. And this will open up the gigantic import menu. Click Import, and that's going to bring the Terrain Sample Assets Pack into your project. We need this because this thing's got a bunch of different textures for like grass, rocks. It's got a whole bunch of assets that we'll be able to take advantage of as we start to build our terrains. Now, one last thing I want you to go back to the Unity store to go get. Let me switch this back to in project. Now you're going to see here we got our terrain tools. All right. And then we're going to, back in Unity at the asset store, I want you to search for Fantasy Landscapes. Fantasy Landscapes. And the one we're looking to get here is this one. Not landscapes with an S, just landscape, fantasy landscape. And the one I want is right here. It's called Fantasy Landscape by Pixel Tiger. Click on that one and it'll open up the Fantasy Landscape. Like I said, it's by Pixel Tiger. Cool name. I'll click Open in Unity and tell it to open in the Unity editor. And here's the Fantasy Landscape. And I will click Import to import it into my project. You may have to download it first before, but I already had downloaded it. It may be that you may not have an import button. You may just have a download button. So you'll have to download it first. Once it's downloaded, though, we want to import it into the project. This is going to include cool things like a variety of trees, grass, other vegetation, rocks, things that we can put into our scene to make the terrain look even better. So that pretty much covers getting the asset packs that we need in order to work with terrains. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here at this point, and I'll get ready to start to show you in the next video how we're going to use all this stuff to make a terrain.